What are Neoview AI smart glasses? The Neoview AI smart glasses are a new product from a brand called Rollme, known for producing affordable tech gear. These glasses are equipped with a range of smart features intended to enhance daily tasks through AI and connectivity. Key features: camera, 8MP Sony sensor with up to 32MP interpolation, 1200p video recording, electronic image stabilization, and fast shutter response. Audio, dual noise-canceling microphones, directional ultrasonic speakers, and Bluetooth calling. AI integration supports real-time voice translation, object recognition, and AI assistant features like ChatGPT or Doubao. Connectivity, Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi support. Battery life, up to 168 hours standby, 3 to 6 hours of continuous use with magnetic charging. Design, available with both clear and tinted lenses, touch-sensitive controls, and ergonomic wear detection. The glasses are currently priced at around $79.99, aiming to provide an affordable alternative to high-end smart glasses on the market. 2. Is it legit or a scam? White heavy checkmark legitimate indicators, manufactured by Rollme, an existing electronics company. Detailed tech specs have been consistently reported by multiple technology publications. The product was officially showcased at a major electronics event, IFA 2025, listed for sale on verified, traceable platforms, such as official brand stores. Warning, points to keep in mind. It's a new product, so there's currently limited user feedback or long-term reviews available. AI features like real-time translation or object recognition sound advanced for the price. While technically possible, performance might be basic. Budget smart tech products often overpromise on software capabilities, so expectations should be realistic. Currently, there are no known scam reports directly associated with Neoview or Rollme. 3 scam risks in the smart glasses market. General caution. Even though Neoview looks legitimate, the broader smart glasses space has been plagued by scam products and shady sellers. Some examples include CyanView AI glasses, promised advanced AI features but had no reputable manufacturer or tech specs backing them. Many customer complaints followed. ChatGPT glasses went viral through social media ads, but turned out to be basic, cheap products with misleading marketing and no refunds. Customer experiences from other products. Some users complained about glasses where the display only worked when looking down or the build quality was poor. Others were tricked by vague return policies or sellers who vanished after the purchase. These scam products typically share the following red flags: fake or exaggerated testimonials, hidden seller identities or lack of contact details, unrealistic features for the price, no independent reviews or press coverage. Neoview AI smart glasses appear to be a legitimate, entry-level smart eyewear product. They're made by a real, known brand, Rollme. The specs are consistent and plausible for the price. Tech media have reported on them, and there's an official product presence. No obvious red flags like fake reviews or anonymous sellers. However, since the product is new, you should wait for hands-on user reviews if you want to confirm the actual performance, especially around the AI features. It's also wise to buy directly from trusted sellers or official sources to ensure you get customer support and warranty coverage.